Hi guys, we're thrilled to see you here. We have just arrived at SeaWorld. It's another park for us to review. We've never been here before and we're super excited. We are going to be showing you our first look at as to the whole park in general, and we're also going to be looking at the food. They do have an all-day dining pass, so we're going to be doing that, trying to show you all the different meal options they have and all the rides. So come along with us. Alright guys, so we're heading into the gates of the park. Eel. This is a nice scenic view. First ride is the steel eel. Oh gosh. It's very empty, y'all. We might be the only ones. Alright guys, so we just got off the steel eel. It was such a good ride.
Very intense.
Very intense. It goes up so high. We're actually right there. It's so fast and it's just really thrilling. It's a high intensity. You go really fast and you don't do any like twists and turns like upside down, but the speed and like all the kind of like ups and downs, like that was so good.
Yeah, great ride. Great first ride.
Great first ride. We just got out of Wave Breaker. It's like a seat and you're holding on. We were
like in a ski ride.
Yeah, and we were right on the first row. It was only us and then one little girl. So it was pretty interesting to feel that, you know, just like us too. It got a lot of screens from him.
No, but it was a very fast ride, but it was fun. It's enjoyable.
Yeah.
It's calming too. It's a great ride.
It's real.
Okay, so we just got out of the Great White, and it's pretty much like the Goliath from Six Flags.
Yeah, if you go to Six Flags San Antonio and you get on the Goliath, it's pretty much the same.
I would even say that one's better overall.
The Goliath?
The Goliath.
Yeah. This one you really can't see where you're going. Everything's so compacted within that same area that you don't see anything.
And the distance covered also felt a lot shorter.
Yeah, it was so quick, and it's a nice ride if you like those type. Your feet are dangling, so overall it was nice, and you're sitting. But I feel like if you want a really good thrilling ride here, the Eel Steel is the one to go to. It's much better, to be honest.
Maybe I should grab one. Ah! This is the Rio logo.
So we just got out of the Rio Loco. It's a very similar ride to the Gully Washer. It's
identical.
I think it's identical. I think maybe it's not as long. I want to say that. Yeah, I want to say that the Gully Washer is much longer than this. But if you don't not like to get wet, I would not recommend. But I feel like in a summer day when it's hot outside, especially here in Texas, you want to do that, and believe me, you do get wet. We're gonna be showing you guys the kids area. This is called, I believe, the Bay of Play.
Yeah, Sesame Street Bay of Play.
Sesame Street Bay of Play. So, like we mentioned, and if you guys know, this park is mostly about kids. It's very kid friendly.
Large playground.
All the playground. That's beautiful. I love it. If I could, I would. Here, I guess they have a show. Probably do shows. I like the little feet in the ground. The little footprints. Look at that. What a brave child if they're trying to cross over that. I was always afraid of those. Oh look, so I guess this is a photo opportunity.
Me with Elmo.
With Elmo and his friends. See, this playground area looks pretty cool. Yeah, like we mentioned, Bay of Play at SeaWorld. So far the day has been pretty easy to go about. All the rides,
no wait time?
Yeah, all the rides say no wait time or 0 to 5 minutes. So it's a pretty good day today. Maybe because this morning we woke up cloudy, but we also yesterday the park was closed because of inclement weather in the area. So I feel like that maybe has to do with it. But oh look, zombie dogs. So that's another thing for Hollow Fest. We just gotta wait and see what they do tomorrow. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video.
We got on lots of rides, multiple times.
And we really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Comment below anything else you'd want us to see, want us to review. And like always, till we see you guys next time.